Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Dr. Andes Sugiono MSI, Kepala SMA Negeri 1 Gondang Nganjuk. SMA Negeri 1 Gondang adalah sekolah terakreditasi A dan merupakan sekolah adiwiyata nasional. Visi sekolah adalah berbudi pekerti luhur, unggul dalam prestasi, dan berbudaya lingkungan. Alhamdulillah, SMA Negeri 1 Gondang menjadi lembaga yang nyaman, aman untuk tumbuh dan berkembang sesuai dengan harapan kita semuanya. Ini ditandai dengan banyaknya prestasi yang diraih oleh warga sekolah, baik itu siswa, guru, maupun lembaga. Untuk siswa, tahun ini telah memperoleh 22 kejuaraan, ini melebihi tahun lalu, ada 16 kejuaraan, dan bahkan tahun ini ada yang bertaraf internasional, yaitu pada lomba taekwondo yang diadakan di Yogyakarta. Kemudian untuk guru juga tumbuh berkembang, mengembangkan kompetensinya. Di SMA Negeri 1 Gondang ada 4 guru penggerak, 1 guru pengajar praktek, dan 1 guru fasilitator. Kemudian tahun ini secara kelembagaan SMA Negeri 1 Gondang juga memperoleh 2 kejuaraan, yaitu sebagai sekolah paling kreatif yang diselenggarakan oleh Kejaksaan Negeri Nganjuk dan sekolah paling inovatif yang diselenggarakan oleh Radar Nganjuk Jawa Pos Group. Semagu siap, semagu hebat bermartabat. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The emergence of global changes and development in the midst of humans' life today are contributing to the educational field of Indonesia that requires learners to have skills to be developed in the way of the age. Battling the tides of such development, SMAN 1 Gondang Academy grows into adaptive school for the change and challenge of the times. Thus, our school is not only a place of studying, it's a vehicle for transformation for each individual involved as well. Welcome to SMAN 1 Gondang.
Located on the main road of Gondang Nganjuk, Gondang District, SMAN 1 Gondang, also known as SMAGO, is a high school standing on 1,700 square feet of land since 1984. It has a degree in accreditation in one of the national adiwiyata schools in the Imperial District, thus creating an environmentally oriented school environment committed to keep increasing faithful, superior, virtuous, environmentally caring, and global foresight.
Continues to grow in the quality of education, as well as relying on its vision and mission. SMAN 1 Gondang has synergy and strong foundation of MPK and class to help the school diligent activism and positive culture. In line with the SMAN 1 Gondang Pride slogan Siap, smart, innovative, religious, and persistent. SMAGO not only pursues academic excellence but also in values ethical, honesty, and social responsibilities with various elemental activities of extracurricular interest. With the spirit of collaboration between teachers and students and the development of various teaching methods and helpful efforts for the child of interest, SMAN 1 Gondang have managed to give the school a good name with many achievements of students and teachers as well. As one of the national adiwiyata schools in the Imperial District, the purpose of the adiwiyata mandiri schools is to protect the environment for sustainable development and to respect the environment for benefit of future generations by creating better conditions for schools to become learning places and awareness for all schools members. School citizens are also responsible for environmental protection and sustainable development efforts. As the one of the superpower schools in the Imperial District, the purpose of the Adiwiyata schools in general is to protect the environment for sustainable development and to respect the environment for the benefit of future generations by creating better conditions for schools to become a learning media and awareness for all schools members. School citizens are also responsible for environmental protection and sustainable development efforts.
To support learning activities, SMAN 1 Gondang provides extravagant facilities. It has 27 classrooms, sport fields, a wonderful hall, a library, laboratories, and a museum. It also provides school residents with water sources, soap washing tools in each class, toilets in spirited areas, drainage lines, and a green open space for students to engage in outdoor activities. There are coopses and cafeterias that sell foods at affordable price and adequate capacity. The classroom is always clean with the available garbage can. As a means of transformation, SMAN 1 Gondang helps to cope with the growth of information technology by creating a variety of innovations. One of such innovation focuses on multimedia-based development through mass media. The mass media present a form and manner of communicating information and documenting school activities, and thus can be consumed by all school residents and alumni. Several fully integrated SMAN 1 Gondang's media outlets are on YouTube, Instagram, Lensa Smagos, Facebook, and the Smago website. The media of this publication also helps to support and facilitate learners to be active, creative, and independent. Thus, through innovative ideas in the world of education, Smago not only seeks academic excellence, but also places a high value of ethics, honesty, and responsibility towards society and nation.